still here working in Riverside. This job just keeps expanding and expanding. Originally we were here to do a foundation exploration and kind of see why the water is infiltrating the house. We also are creating a pump chamber feature to collect water and send it away. But you know, as it goes with foundation exploration, project creep is very, very common. And you can see behind me, the staircase that was here yesterday is no longer. We've jackhammered it out. What we found was that that staircase was sinking pretty substantially. There was about 1.5 inches of movement at the top. We're not surprised based on what we find in this hole. Everything is very, very unstable. There's no footing and everything is shifting. They put a lot of the debris from the construction of the house in the hole. We see that pretty often, but they didn't foot this thing. So the instability was allowing water to get behind it. Also, the foundation depths are different. This is a 10-foot basement with a full basement on this side. The other side is much more shallow with a crawl space. So we need to dig to the depth of the footing. The other thing is we didn't find a footing drain on the other side. We don't expect to find one here. So the water has nowhere to go. Soil quality is very poor. We realized that once we started to dig. There's a lot of clays and what's called expansive clay, which is swelling when it's wet and then shrinking when it's dry, is very, very bad for a foundation. If you have clays up against the foundation, when that clay swells, it can easily do damage to the foundation. So we're still digging. We still got to go down about 3-4 feet in this area here. We're going to continue our dig. Tomorrow we should be at the footing. We'll take a look at the foundation walls, make corrections as needed, waterproof it, create a vapor barrier, put some insulation against it, and start our backfill. And then we're going to rebuild these stairs. We're going to make them prettier than they were. They had bluestone treads, a stone veneer, and a wrought iron railing. We're going to put everything back intact. It's going to look absolutely amazing.